All right, well, we've already done a couple videos since this was the first day that we ran the sawmill. And that log you've seen on there was our very first log. We thought it was going to be a test log. Turn around and come to find out, we got a whole bunch of lumber for the steps over our mobile home park. And we don't have to buy any lumber anymore. And this apparently was a red oak. I don't know, my tree's really super well. I know I'm half-assed, but yeah, let me know what you think. Look at the grain in this bad boy. That was one of the edge pieces that we cut off. So it's got the live edge on the other side. But yeah, look at how pretty this wood is. Just absolutely beautiful. This one here below has got that white in it, like you just seen off the one I just stepped on. And then this one here is really pretty red. You took a garden hose and washed them off. We just got them stacked up here so they can dry. But yeah, we ended up getting 6 pieces of lumber. They're 7 inches wide, and we run them 1 1/8 inch thick. And then tomorrow or next day, we're gonna come back over here and run some probably 12-inch wide plus planks for the step runners, and we'll need 6 of those for 2 sets of steps. And then these boards here are about 10 foot 3 inches long. We actually strung the tape measure out on the oak tree before we cut it with the chainsaw, so we knew that we'd have at least 10 footers. And we didn't really care if it was going to be 8 or 9 foot, but this works out pretty good. So anyway, time to jump off of here. It was a huge success. We've had it 1 week. It took about an hour today to get it tweaked and get it ready. We had to put the scale up, vertical scale, adjust that. We had to check the blade travel and the tension, and I checked a whole bunch more bolts and found some stuff that was loose. Not really stuff that I did, but they put these together on a mass scale, so I made sure I checked everything. And some of it twice, some of it 3 times. As a matter of fact, I even checked the bolts that bolt the engine down, even though they do have lock nuts on them. And then I used some white lithium grease on our pulley system here, and lubed up those cables. And yeah, she run perfect for the first try, first day. Didn't have to hardly tweak much. We got it set up over here earlier. Got the track leveled. We run the band head over across one of the bunks, the lower support beams, and we measured from the bunk up, and we were right on the money on both sides. So we didn't have any problems with the level being off. And yeah, she ran like a brand new one, obviously. Man, that engine's got a lot of power. That's a 14 horse Kohler. Man, it smoked right through that thing a lot faster than I thought it would. But I mean, obviously a bigger log, 30-inch log or something's gonna, 20-some inch log's gonna, be a little longer cut time. But all right, well, I gotta get off of here. So catch you later.